everybody, I am Mark. This is Grandpa Mark's Hobbies, and today we're going to do a really quick video. Today we're going to take the 3mm lead that everybody's watched me do my wiring on my engine, and we're going to cut off a hunk. Doesn't matter how long, just as long as it's long enough to you can hold it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to come down here about that far down on this thing, and I'm going to put this on and push, and I'm going to drag forward just a little bit like that. Now see where we're going. Take your tweezers again and get the flat. Put your tweezer right on the end of that flat, but go up on it a little bit because we want to make a hoop. And just roll the tweezers around your finger to make that finger hold. I know my hand's in the way. Done. There's a dipstick. Jeepers, I hope you can really see that, but that's perfect. Put that on your engine block. Let me grab an engine block. Put that somewhere on there. Either up here. I've seen them up front, but with this dang alternator, I'm not going to put it up front. I'm going to put it on the side here. I'll run it up in between my headers. So it'll go right about there. And I'll turn it to where you can stick your finger in there and pull it out. But there's a dipstick in less than 30 seconds. Hope you like my video. You guys all have a great day.